Okay, it's Friday. We had Tech Den this morning. We talked about the attendance program at Tech Den. And they did a bunch of work with Unreal Engine. BCA-101, Unit 5, talked about the project, group project work. So we talked about virtual private networks. You can have, for example, you can have it set up where I can be at home and I can connect in to NIAC and it'll look like I'm right there on campus. It'll look just like I'm on a LAN at campus using a virtual private network. It encrypts the information as it leaves here and decrypts it when it gets here, and the same thing for the information coming back. VPNs are extremely popular. We'll talk more about them in security. So here's an example. I said you could be at Cabin Coffee. You could set up your VPN to some location. There's actually a way to set up VPNs to use all the time for your laptops when you're connecting using the internet. And we'll talk more about those in the security area. There's a way to block from your sites being viewed by the spiders. You can set up an intranet. Like, for example, at the college they use NIAC. A lot of times they call that a portal, a place where you start to get to everything you need at the college. Okay, so it's a single sign-on, and then that allows you to get to Canvas, your email, etc., etc., etc. Most intranets do not advertise their information out to the internet, so the spiders don't find the information, and they almost always have some way to authenticate you so that only a certain group can use it. Then there is a way to set it up. If you want to allow an outside company in, you give them special permission to get into your intranet, and they call that an extranet. That's it for today.